Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us discuss about objects in JavaScript. Now, objects in JavaScript is a basic building block that you basically encounter in almost every line of code that you write. The log function that we were using till now is a function, and to surprise, every function is an object in itself. Everything in JavaScript is an object. Generally, objects represent an entity, and we will not be going under the hood of objects because we have tons of stuff to cover in this series, but I have a full independent series on JavaScript objects that completely demystifies everything on objects. You can realize this from the fact that I have made a complete series on JavaScript objects wherein I have covered 100% of what you need to know on objects. So whenever you are creating an object, always remember that it is making it possible for us to group the things together. Now, let us do a demo for this series as well. The link for a complete separate playlist on objects can be found below this video. So I will switch back to my editor and let us work in the folder objects-demo, in which I have already created a file called objects.js. So let us start with the demo. So what I will do is I will create an object using the curly brackets or curly braces syntax object literals. So back in my IDE, object literals. Now, if you're not aware of the object literals, do check out the video on object literals. The link for that is also down below. Now coming back to the topic, let us create an object called as channel object. So I will say const channel object, and then using the curly braces syntax, I will set two key value pairs in this. So I will say name. In single quotes, I will define a string and I will say the nerdy dev. Then content web development. Now let us log the channel object to the console. Channel object. Now let us cd to the folder objects demo. Okay, so objects demo. Okay, so it is cd data and then say cd objects demo. Then I will say node objects.js, and you can see we are getting the object back where we have two key value pairs. The name is set to the nerdy dev, the content is set to web development. Now here the order for the appearance of keys does not matter. In case of an object, for order we generally use an array. Now to access the properties, we have a couple of ways to do that. So we can simply make use of the dot syntax to access the properties. So what I will do here is I will log channel object dot name. So using the dot syntax, I'm able to access a key, and corresponding to that key I will get a value. And then we can say console log channel object dot content. So let us try running the script by saying node objects.js, and you get the nerdy dev and web development. Now last thing to talk about is symbols. It is a way to generate unique identifiers or properties. It's generally used in low-level libraries like I earlier told you in the previous videos, and in more advanced use cases. So we will see more on symbols hopefully in this series. So if you are loving the content, do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.